It's already 9:30, and my laptop is now being still being connected. I'm trying to open our Facebook so that we can have our discussion. So, um, nevertheless, we can use this Facebook Live. Sorry, intended initially for the Facebook Live, but now for our class purposes, we'll have this YouTube Live. So, this is a uh, discussion again on continued discussion on probability theory. I hope all of you can uh, see me, especially the students of BS Ed Mathematics under my class today. So, um, probability we have defined probability, right? Last time, yesterday. So, okay. Uh, I think I will have to share this to my Facebook na lang, no? So that the class will so the lesson that we will have is again on probability. So we'll just look at get that sign in with Facebook. So we'll just screen share the notes. So last time we have discussed this one, and I promised to share this one with you. So I'll be sharing this materials now. The PowerPoint, due to, of course, in due recognition, the PowerPoint is due to Dr. Solbert Himang of the Cebu Technological University, and also due recognition, we're availing the Wi-Fi network of the CNU IT office, no? With the assistance of their helpful assistance of their skeletal force, so led by Sir Balihon, and of course by some other friends, some other officers. So of course, you can recall the z-score. We have defined the z-score last time as the difference between sample any sample value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation, right? So and so there's a change in our discussion. Instead of just going through the normal distribution as we have discussed in the past, so we'll backtrack a little bit on probability, but we can just start with normal distribution. So for now, this will be a bit boring again, but not as boring as the one we did. This will not be as boring as the one we did with only the book, the reference number 1 that was authored by Dr. Salbertima, because that one was purely like old school writing the notes, no, and the book. But I appreciate that you were able to pay attention to it, no, you're paid your attention to it as college, a responsible college student. So again, being math majors, I know that you will not find this. I know that you will not find this new. So as we reframe and continue our discussion yesterday on probability. So again, pardon my probability, its uses in statistics, the definitions, the rules, independent events, combinatorial concepts, and the law of total probability and Bayes theorem, and summary and review of terms. So basically, if you can recall, in the syllabus that we have discussed even before your midterm exam, yeah, take note, we have discussed the syllabus even before your midterm exam. The form, it's just that the form there was not really as accurate, no? Because naibagong form ang syllabus. So anyway, I was informed later on by the office, no? By our college office. In any case, we have discussed the topic naman, no? Thoroughly, including even the VMGO, vision, mission, and goals. So we'll review which part of our syllabus of our course are we in. We're barely a month, no? So we'll tackle, and essentially we'll just tackle probability and probability distribution and normal curve. We'll go with hypothesis testing. It's very basic of it. And you know how we can go faster on this discussion is that if we go through the use of Excel, and yeah, because if we do the manual computation and everything, we will also do that through these lectures, but we will not be happy or be happily efficiently, most importantly, using our time, because we cannot speed up the discussion. There will be questions on the steps, or even a few mistakes, even sometimes even with the professor, no? So that's very normal, even in comes to Princeton University, where else. So it will take time, but at least if we, since we're math majors, but we still have to, in normal curve, we still have to derive the area of the normal curve as an integration, because you are math majors naman, so we need to dig deep only on that part, but we need to go fast as well so that we can cover the hypothesis testings. So and the non-parametric, some colleague or senior regular faculty in math department of the college are doubting that we can cover non-parametric. So I would, and right now I would seem to agree. Nevertheless, we'll ambition that we can cover that topic. So I'll open the initial draft that we had on. Okay. And of course you have soft copies of this. But this is again a wrong form. The format is wrong. So we're basically done with the rest. We need to, we're done with many of this. We need to, yeah. So that's why here in my discussion, it's, you should have studied first normal curve, then area under the normal curve, then standard. We're done with normal curve. No, we touched barely on the area under the normal curve. Oh, sorry, I was not able to let you see. We're done under the area under normal curve, and then we have touched essentially the standard score. No? So, but since probability is the topic, so we need to strengthen everything about probability. So this is in due recognition of the very helpful and very insightful suggestions of my colleague and my senior colleague, and also my brother in Eagles, Kuya Dr. Rodin Paspasan. It was a better idea to start with probability. So before going to normal curve, and also this was also concurred by of course my idol Sir J Ontulan and Prof J Ontulan, and of course by the uh, pure statistician, I think, in the math department, Prof Alhambra. All right, so that's why basin you will ask, so sir, human naman i-touch og normal curve, then why go back to the area before the normal curve? So which is the explanation probability. So yeah, so that's why here it's all about probability again, no? But it's important that we establish topics first. So actually, although this is the draft the topics in our syllabus, there are other topics that we'll have to. So you have the characteristic. We have done with this one, of course. We have not yet done this one. We've only shown the formula for the. So instead of just this, we're going a little bit on the. But this is the target that we have now. We need to do this, and then the sampling design, because you really need to do this. You need to do. We need to have yeah, and this is the last part. So this is we pray, no, we believe in miracles that we can cover this. We work as students, learners, as most of us, if not all of us, are believers in God. We can do miracles to cover this part. This is already discouraged, and this will be a bonus, of course. I think this is mandatory for you to learn, no, at least in theory. And then I will not anymore derive the computation. No, we'll just do the, again, as I've said, we'll do the computer applications na directly. No, we'll not do the. And then here is the idea here is we're going back here because of we're going deeper, a bit deeper on probability. So that's why ma-change gamay, just a change, no. Mo start na diri. Instead of kaniyatong trabaho niya, we just talk about probability, normal distribution daw, di man niyo ma-appreciate nga nung na-exist in normal. So instead of this being the last, I intend to make this more so we're also doing this already, no? So we have discussed this one, but we have not yet thoroughly discussed the methods of assigning, so we'll continue on this, no? So, and then after that, we'll go back to normal curve. That's how man daw the sequence should be. So we follow, okay? So I was informed of that ideal sequence after na discuss na to ning ato ang kuan, ato ang dugay na months na ato ang kuan. So I think wala sa po na ako ma-ask good. So, but in any case, wait sa pause sa klase karitya. 5-minute break. Okay, so we'll continue with this topic now, probability. So I hope my voice is loud enough. So again, we will ask, kanong diri man ka nag-live, sir? I try to go live sa Facebook. Actually, no, honesty na. Sige pa, huwag ka na akong Facebook. Sige pang gakamang, no? So I know ang YouTube medyo bugat pero antos lang tagamay no. Share lang ha sa kuan. Morning class, morning. Miss Taneo, Mr. Mark, Mr. Leo Ligaw, and wa ta kailay ning usa. Okay. Anyway, so and all students. No? So again, this is the definition of probability. It is a measure of uncertainty. But what kind of measure it is? This quantitative measure. So I will enlarge in the uh, enlarge enlarge the excuse me. Kira sa Roy? Kacha. Okay, okay. Class, let's have a pause for a 2-minute break, no? Drink your water or go to the CR, okay? Good morning, Nimilian, okay? And Miss Sultan and the rest, okay? Just a 2-minute break so that I can put the headphone, no? So just a few minute break, 2 minutes break. Thank you, class. Interesting. Ah.
Wala na kasi ang laptop sir.
Di siya kasuod lagi. Kay kuan lang ako. Daily kasuod sa laptop. Tanggalan na lang ako ning sa laptop.
Ano sir ay? Kanang bago na ba? Layo? Kanang
Kaya ba?
ICTU to. Click na.
Kani. Sige ako sa ning i-log out no. Kalagi naman sa diri. Okay ra na.
Okay na. Pwede na. Disconnect na ako.
Ako sa ning kuan.
Ayun, nato kilapti. Pero kasi wifi. Mo-connect ra lagi na.
Connect ra ni.
Hmm.
Sige rit. Okay, pause at class, pause for pause at for 30 seconds, no? 30 seconds for the 30 seconds for my reconnection to be improved. My connection to be improved, ha? So thank you for your attention. Okay, class, I will be restarting this live. I will attempt at Facebook, perhaps, or also create a new live. Okay. Uh, because there's some issues with the connection. No? Thank you for now. Bye. Again, class, I will be restarting a new session because of the some connectivity problem, no? Or some issue with the connection. So, and also this device is already on low bat. So, thank you for now. Bye. Just open your you can, or for those who have no access yet, you can review this through our mathsguy Eagle channel, or in our GC, and even in my Facebook. I will try to post it. Okay, so thank you for now.
Pero usually, wala naman kasi idea kung matag yung ng account, like login ka din siya para ma-access sa student. Pero na siya yung security feature. Ever, so na-apply account, pining login credential, hindi niya kung access mo, wala kang malilang sa